Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your shipping address on your Home Depot account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in homedepot.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Home Depot website. Now, if you haven't logged into your account already, you will see the login button at the top right corner, which you can click on and proceed forward with your credentials. After logging in, if you wish to change your shipping address, click on the Me icon at the top right corner. Now from this page, click on Profile, and now within your profile page, underneath Account Settings, you will see the Addresses option. Go ahead and click on it, and now you will see all of the delivery addresses that you have added onto your account. If you wish to change your address, you can delete the old one first, or you can also click on Add Address in order to add your new address before you delete the old one. After clicking on this, just enter your first and your last name, followed by your address, your zip code, your city or your state, and finally your phone number. You may also add a secondary phone number if you wish, and you also have the option to make this your default address. After filling up all of these information, click on the Save Changes button, and now this address will be added as your shipping address within your account as well. You can now delete the old address from your addresses list, and now your delivery address has been changed successfully within your Home Depot account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your delivery address on Home Depot. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.